So the quiz for chapter 8 to 10. Question number 1. Fundamental shown actually. Question number 1. Laws have been created to serve as guiding principles that regulate human inspection. So regulate means control. Control human inspection. However, wrongs are being committed. There are two major laws dealing with wrongs. The law that addresses wrong against society is, so highlight the word wrongs against society. So which one is
Criminal.
that? Is the criminal. And if it is laws against the civil law, so what will be then?
Party.
So the dispute between parties. But here they are asking about wrong against society, which is the criminal law. But if they ask about dispute between parties, then civil law. Okay, and then we go to the question number 2. All laws are designed to provide a remedy. Remedy means solution when a wrong has been done. Civil law provides a remedy by civil law imposing civil duty to serve by the person who committed the wrong. No, the courts awarding compensation to the party who suffered a wrong. Basically, if you don't comply with the contract, right? If you breach the contract, if the other party sue you, so he can sue you for money or sue you for compensation. So number B, the courts awarding means giving compensation to the party who has suffered a wrong. And then we go to the next one. Question number 3. When a party believing that a wrong has been done takes legal action, this party is called a we called plaintiff. If you sue somebody, then you are plaintiff. And if somebody sue you, then you are defendant.
Yeah.
So it's number 2, plaintiff. Then question number 4. For a tort action against another party to be successful in the plaintiff, the plaintiff must prove all of the following except one. If you want to prove something, do you know tort, right? Right? So basically, for a tort action against another party to the plaintiff must prove all of the following except one. So you have to find wrong. Number 1, the defendant owed the plaintiff a moral duty. The defendant breached a legal duty. So I'll breach legal, that's true, right?
Yeah.
The plaintiff suffered damages as a direct result of defendant's action. So highlight damages and direct action. True. Defendant owed the plaintiff a legal duty. That's also true, right? So he breached and owed and direct result. But moral duty has nothing to do here. Defendant owed the plaintiff a moral duty. So it's wrong. But if they ask you which of the following are true, right?
3.
So then it will be B, C, D, right? Breached legal duty, owed a legal duty, and suffered damages direct. So moral duty one is wrong. And then we go to the question number 5. So a neighbor has filed a lawsuit against one of your clients who used explosive, Hollywood explosive, to remove the stump of a large old tree from his property. The explosion shattered the windows and caused damage to the neighbor's home. So it shattered the windows. The courts recognize that tort may fall with the categories of unintentional tort. So highlight the word unintentional. Unintentional civil wrong. Intentional, unintentional tort, intentional tort, or strict liability. In this instance, the court would hold your client for what? Unintentional or intentional or strictly liable. I think it's strictly liable. Explosive is something very serious.
Yeah.
Strictly liable only found negligent. Criminal liable, not liable, because it was an accident. You are strictly liable. So it's A. Question number 6. The court will interpret the law either under common law or statute law. All of the following statements regarding statute law are true, except one. Pick the extension. So with common law, basically decision based on the previous decision. Statute laws made in the parliament or federal government. So we're talking about find the wrong about a statute law. Statute law is written law.
Yeah.
Highlight written true. Statute law is based on precedent.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
No. Statute law is based, is common law is based on precedent. Precedent means history,
Oh, yeah.
before.
Yeah, common law is right.
Yeah. So this is
Statute
wrong.
law is based on act.
Yeah. Statute law is enacted by federal or provincial legislation. True. Statute law can be created for action where no law has existed. So the government can make new law basically. So the precedent one is wrong. That's for common law. So it's B. Question number 7. In common law, the person who comes onto the premises with the express or implied permission. Highlight express mean clear, implied mean contemporary act of the occupier because of the occupier business is called trespasser, licensee or bailee. So basically it's inviting. If you have auto repair shop, people come to you, basically you have economic interest, right? It's inviting. So this is number 3. So licensee basically means if you are a bathroom user, you go to somebody's home as a social guest, then licensee. Trespasser means when you enter somebody's property, that's trespasser.
Bailee.
Yeah, bailee basically means for hire.
Temporary custody.
Yeah, temporary custody basically means you have given your car to auto body for repair, right? And basically he's holding your car, right? So it's C in my T. Then the question number 8. Matters of legal liability have been established in the proceedings. Third word precedent means previous decision set by the courts. All of the following statements respecting legal liability, highlight legal liability, highlight true, are true except one. So find the false one regarding legal liability or proceedings. Generally, a person who hires an independent contractor is not responsible for damages to others by the contractor in the performance of the work. B. Employers are usually responsible for the act of their employees in the course of the duty. That's true, right? And generally also was true. C. Bailees who take in property of others for repairs or safekeeping owe the highest duty of care to their customers.
Yeah.
We are
Ordinary
asking,
care रहते हैं ये.
no, we're talking about matter of legal liability happens in decision except the court. All of the following statements respecting legal liability are true except one. Find one's false.
Yeah, true.
When two or more parties have acted negligently together,
Yeah.
do not agree to share the liability equally, the courts will hold each liable for the entire damage. That's also
It's
true,
true.
right? So
C.
B is true, and
C भी true है.
C seems true too.
नहीं, ये सिर्फ यही है कि duty of
Highest duty.
highest duty.
Highest duty makes it wrong. Is
Ordinary.
is the ordinary duty. Yeah. So it's C. We have to just change the highest to the ordinary. Okay, then we go to the question number, I think we're done up